Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Sagittarius, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this gentle energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that reading, Sagittarius. So let's start with these cards here. We have Nine of Earth, Three of Fire. These cards must be read straight, guys. Page of Earth. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are in a happy place right now, the way things are going. Maybe in your work, you have people helping you, suggesting you good ideas, and you feel really committed, dedicated to whatever you do. And maybe all those plans you had for your work circumstances, all that is manifesting today, and you are seeing the beginning of some good circumstances coming into reality. And all that hard work you did till now is paying off for you, Sagittarius. So things are falling into place in your work, or it may be the way things are in this relationship. Maybe you were a person very patient and waiting for this person to understand you. Maybe you were making a lot of efforts trying to make this person understand you and trying to find that balance and harmony in this relationship. Whatever it was, all your wishes and your plans, dreams about this relationship is coming true today, guys, coming true today. Because this person understands you and they love you for what you are, and they are ready to collaborate with you in a beautiful way, trying to understand, trying to make things work in this relationship just like you. So they are reciprocating your honest feelings in this love, in this circumstances. And your relationship is something what you have wished for. So this is that stage of this connection where you build a strong foundation. So this relationship will hold on, weather all the storms, whatever may come. So you will have that beautiful understanding working in this connection, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. Nine of Water. So again, a very beautiful card. So you both have that emotional satisfaction, intimacy, harmony in this connection, and you feel that you truly deserve this. Your love deserves this success because you were someone holding on, waiting for this person. Maybe for some of you, if you are away, if you are in separation, guys, this person is definitely understanding you and they are coming back to you. So all those dreams and goals, whatever you have for this relationship, is manifesting, and it is simply like a dream come true for you in this connection. So this person loves you and they want to be with you, and they have finally understood you, Sagittarius. So, no matter what your circumstances are, this person realizes your love today, guys. So, for your career situation, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's 10 of air. So, in your work circumstances, you may see some delay, some kind of suspensions may be there, something may not work in the right way, and you may see some what to say, an abrupt stop of some projects or something you are planning on. But you need to understand that there is something better waiting to come into your situation. So, better offers are coming. That is the reason for something ending today in your work circumstances. So, you need not worry for this, guys. You need to wait for better opportunities coming your way. So, that is the energy with these cards, Sagittarius. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. And stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here for you all today. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep the second card here. We will see what is the card. A leg up. So, with this card, in your circumstances, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, it just means that you cannot go on like this anymore. And there are opportunities coming in your life, and if you need to embrace those opportunities, or if you need to do something better, you need help, you need that teamwork and interdependence. That is what this card means. So relationships do very well if we work together as a team. When you have people, when you have your person supporting you, and when you support them, it is going to be a very positive, meaningful connection, and you will be met with kindness and love. So maybe you are feeling really vulnerable, you want this person's ideas or suggestions on certain things. You need to ask for it, guys, because they will not know what is there deep down in your heart of hearts. So you need to voice out your request. Maybe you want help, or you want a guidance in something, or you want this person's decision on something, whatever it may be. You need to ask, and you will get that help. And trust your circumstances, and you can go forward with this help. You can request their help. There is nothing wrong, guys, with interdependence and teamwork in a relationship. That is going to help you a lot, and this is that time, maybe that time for you to give up all your inhibition, maybe whatever is holding you back from asking. You need to give all that up and ask for help. That is this card's energy here, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, a fiery climax approaches, full moon in Aries. So with this card, the energy is that Maybe today, in your circumstances, you were concentrating too much on yourself, and maybe there is some argument or some kind of a confusion because you want something and this person wants something else, and you don't know what will happen next. So there is some kind of what to say, a lot of things are happening today, and you may feel really sensitive, emotional, and you need to understand whether think within yourself whether you were rushing towards some decisions or some choices, or whether you have been too harsh, too stubborn, holding on to something in this relationship. And maybe you are the reason for the way things are going the way they are today. So you need to come out of it, maybe, and you need to do it, what to say, with understanding. So whatever decisions or whatever, uh, maybe you're speaking something, you must not be influenced by how you feel emotionally, but to try to uh, go about any circumstances in a very balanced way. That is going to help you guys. And you, if you are interested in meditation, you can take that up. That is going to help you a lot today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, with these two cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.